Here's that patty you wanted, Mr. Krabs, sir.
What's up? It's Chris, the Drone Geek, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Drones. Today's episode is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, because to be honest with you, I'm not feeling myself today. I've been under the weather for about a day and a half, and I've got a splitting headache today, so I'm just gonna be taking it easy, but I still wanted to keep my end of the bargain that I made with you at the beginning of 2021 that I'm going to be doing at least one video per week, if not more. And I just wanted to make sure I got a video in this week for you. So I do have an announcement to share with this video. It's not just some fluff that I'm throwing in here for nothing. Originally, I was planning on doing an impromptu live stream today to begin the journey of building an FPV Cinewhoop drone with your help, of course. It was going to be totally interactive. I was going to take some advice from you guys and try to build the best Cinewhoop unit that I possibly could. Unfortunately, because I'm not feeling well today and I'm not quite up to that level of interaction, I'm sure, that's going to have to be put on hold. I'm going to delay that until next week, maybe the following week, depending upon how the rest of the schedule plays out and what adjustments I can make. But that just gives you a little bit of notice. I will be doing a live stream within the next 2 weeks to start our journey for the FPV Cinewhoop build. I'm going to be doing it with you totally on YouTube. I'll be doing a series of live streams for Let's Talk Drones where we sit down and we start putting this thing together. I may do some pre-recorded videos here and there, just depending upon what my schedule allows. But for the most part, these episodes of Let's Talk Drones are going to be completely live on YouTube. So make sure you stick around for those. I'm really excited about this. I've been talking about getting into FPV for a long time, and I think now is the perfect opportunity to start it heading into the summer of 2021. And I can't do it without your help. So I really look forward to your input and your help as I build what I hope to be the perfect FPV Cinewhoop. So that's all I really have to share with you today. Make sure you go and check out my Instagram channel. Make sure you go check out some of the older videos of Let's Talk Drones. I've got lots of good stuff on there, including some information about the Mavic 3 Pro leak that came out of Drone XL. If you haven't seen that video already, I'm gonna go ahead and share that in the upper corner of this video. Go ahead and click that link and you'll be taken right to that video. One last thing before I let you go. Tonight, I am going to be hosting the Let's Talk Drones podcast with the folks at Burt Marketing located in Oregon. It's a husband and wife couple, the Burts. They're awesome and they do some great stuff with drones. They've been able to evolve their drone business into a full-fledged marketing services business. And I'm going to be talking to them about that and a lot more. And that episode will be airing next week. But tonight's recording is going to take place. Just wanted to give you a heads up that the Let's Talk Drones podcast episode featuring Burt Marketing will be airing next week here on YouTube as well as Spotify. Until next time, guys, I'm Chris, the Drone Geek, and I am out of here.